Yeah, this Virginia, straight from the country, right there with my kinfolk. Goes in my mouth, and they put 26s on benzos. Dirt roads, backwoods, they got weed, but I been dope. Rad kid, nigga, we act cool, but I'm getting money with these white folks. Sipping and I'm faded, super medicated. Said she wanna check the bowl, I said, okay, Sarah Palin. Yeah. So I lay down and lay in, a nigga gon' be faded all the way to the exit. Down, whoa.
Okay, more drink, hold it up, more weed, roll it up, hold there, ho, you know what's up. Hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down, cams up, hoes down, ass up, nose down. Damn, bitch, I do it. And it's the life we chose, working all night, swear I'm never going bro. And I'ma do this till I die, and I ain't talking shit just cause I'm yeah. Oh God. Okay, wow, look at me now. Cheap like an Indian, talking in clouds. I'm high as a bitch, I'm talking in clouds. I'm free every night like I run with the owls. I super sold that hoe. Show 'em the love, just throw 'em a towel. Still rockin' Louboutin condoms, cause I'm for fucking in style. Wow, new crib, trash that. Drove here, cash back, now knock that pussy out. Yeah, that's just a little cat